Fill up the tires on your Razor. The front is pretty easy. It's got a normal valve. Just unscrew the cap there. Put your filling device on there. And mine says to fill to 60. There's more than 60. See, it's dropping. You might be wondering how to fill the rear tire since there's not easy access. There's a hidden compartment here in the handle. And there's a magical tool. So you just pry that out of there. You thread that on the back, and then you connect your fill-up tool here, and you're good to go. So you see the valve. And if your tire is low, the valve may be moving around. Same thing. And you're done. Don't forget to put your tool back in there so you have it for next time.